Welcome to Codifix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how TypeError int object is not iterable. This error message usually occurs when you are trying to iterate over an integer using a loop or a comprehension, which is not possible because integers are not iterable. For example, if you have the following code. Let's run this code. This kind of problems you can find. You will get the type error. Int object is not iterable error message because you cannot iterate over an integer. To fix this error, you need to make sure that you are iterating over an iterable object, such as a list tuple or string, rather than an integer. For example, this code will iterate over the list of numbers and print each number on a new line without throwing a type error. Int object is not iterable error. Let's run this code. Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you were facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos.